Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change the Windows 11 user account picture on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's go for the easiest methods guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to start menu, click on it and go to your user account name in here with user account picture. We going to change this. For that click on it guys and click here change account setting, click on it. In here adjust photo, take a photo option here guys. You can take a photo also and you can choose a file whatever you have downloaded or anything else in your computer. You can easily browse here guys. Click on browse files and whatever file folders you saved in your picture, you just want to go go in and take your picture guys and choose the picture. The now your user account picture has been changed guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.